In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to WooCommerce in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have these two platforms seamlessly working together to help you manage your e-commerce business more efficiently. To start, you'll need to log into your CJ Dropshipping account. Use your usual credentials to sign in, and once you're in, you should see your dashboard, your new hub for managing products, orders, and more. In the CJ Dropshipping dashboard, you'll want to locate the Authorization section. This is where you'll officially connect your WooCommerce store with CJ Dropshipping. Look for this option. It should be straightforward to find. Now, once you've found the Authorization section, click on it, and you'll see an option to add or connect to WooCommerce. This is the pivotal step where we begin to bridge our two platforms. Clicking this option will prompt the next necessary actions. A pop-up titled Add Store will appear. It's designed to guide you through the next few steps and ensure everything is set up correctly. Make sure to carefully follow the instructions provided in this pop-up, as they will inform you of the specifics of the connection process. Next, you're given the choice of what type of authorization you would like to use. You can choose from a default option or an auth plugin. If you're not sure which to pick, the default option is typically the simplest and covers most needs, but feel free to select the one that suits your configuration best. Once you've made your choice, it's time to paste your site URL. This is crucial because it's how CJ Dropshipping identifies and communicates with your WooCommerce store. Ensure that the URL is typed accurately, including the HTTPS/ if your site uses it, to avoid any connectivity issues. Finally, click the Authorize button. This action confirms your settings and sends a request for WooCommerce to establish a connection with CJ Dropshipping. After hitting Authorize, you might need to give the process a moment as it completes the handshake between the two platforms. You've now successfully connected your CJ Dropshipping account to WooCommerce. If everything was done correctly, you should see your store listed in the dashboard, fully ready to sync products and handle orders. This connection streamlines your operations, allowing you to focus on growing your business while CJ Dropshipping efficiently handles the logistics. If you encounter any issues, consider rechecking the URL or authorization type. It's often just a small error that needs correcting. Thank you for following along. Now, you can enjoy the increased efficiency and capabilities that come with integrating these two powerful e-commerce tools. Keep an eye on your dashboard for any notifications or updates from CJ Dropshipping as they continue to enhance their services.